Cameron Moreland, featuring the 3-degree guarantee. Sponsored by Capital Credit Union.
Well, our stretch of warm weather finally came to an end today. Our normal high, 68 degrees. Most of us were only in the mid-60s, and technically that is below normal for this time of year. But the break in the warm weather only lasted one day, because once again tomorrow temperatures will climb to levels that are considered well above normal for this time of year. Most of us will get back up into the 80s. We'll see lower 70s on Friday, and then the much cooler weather will return for Saturday and Sunday, just in time for the weekend, with highs only in the 50s. Well, earlier today, before we broke into that sunshine, we had a batch of rain move across central and eastern Wisconsin. Not much. Most areas only seeing about 0.05 to maybe 1/10 of an inch of rain. You can see it on the radar quickly pushing to the east by the late morning, and then we broke into a lot of sunshine across much of the area, and that allowed temperatures to warm up into the 60s. So dry weather right now, but if you look off to the north and west, we do have some thunderstorms moving into northwestern Wisconsin. That activity is going to be sliding south and east for later on this evening. Here we are at 9 o'clock on the high-res future radar. Showers and thunderstorms from Wausau to Rhinelander. By the time we get to 11 o'clock, on and off showers and thunderstorms from near the Marinette, Menominee area back towards Clintonville and Wapaka. Still some thunderstorms near Wausau, and then we'll keep that chance for some showers and thunderstorms as we head into the early morning hours of Thursday. As far as severe weather is concerned, it really looks like the best threat for severe weather this evening into tonight is going to be way off to the north and west. But of course, when you have thunderstorms, the threat for severe weather is never at 0%. So I'll keep a close eye on it for you. The thunderstorms this evening being kicked off by a cold front that's going to swing across the area later on tonight and weekend. Behind that, we've got another frontal boundary. That's a much stronger front, and that's going to push through tomorrow evening into Friday morning. Temperatures today in the 60s to around 70 across Wisconsin, but off to the south and west, the heat was building once again, many locations getting up into the 80s. And yes, that warmth is going to come streaming back into Wisconsin by tomorrow afternoon. It looks like much of the area probably seeing temperatures between about 80 and 85 degrees with a mixture of sun and clouds and maybe a shower, and then a much better chance for additional thunderstorms as we head into tomorrow evening. You can see those on Skycast working in from the north and west between about 7 and 10 o'clock, and then on and off showers and thunderstorms could actually continue right into Friday morning. And tomorrow evening, the chances for severe weather are much higher. We've got a slight risk for organized severe weather across the northwestern half of the viewing area, and that means all types of severe weather would be possible. So I'll be keeping a close eye on that situation tomorrow evening. Along with the threat for severe weather, some locally heavy rain is possible, 1/4 to 1/2 inch, maybe higher amounts where we do see some heavier thunderstorms. And so far, it has been very dry this month of May. Across the Fox Valley, less than 2/10 of an inch of rain, including what we saw today. It's the driest start to May in 34 years. So your forecast for tonight calls for some hit or miss showers and thunderstorms developing later on. Overnight lows will be right around 50 degrees. Tomorrow, sun and clouds, maybe a shower, and then a much better chance of showers and thunderstorms as we head into the evening. Look for a high temperature right around 81 degrees. It will be a little bit cooler near Lake Michigan. On Friday, a chance for some showers and thunderstorms, especially early. Sun and clouds by the afternoon, 72. Much cooler for this upcoming weekend. Lots of clouds, on and off, chances for some light rain or showers. High temperatures only in the 50s. Our normal high is right around 70. And then we'll see 60s as we head into next week. Some nice weather on Monday, and then some more rain late Tuesday into Wednesday.
It was a night of concessions and a race